Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Capcut. First, you'll need to download the free Capcut application from your device's App Store, whether it's for Android, iOS, or PC. Once installed, open the app. You'll typically find a Me tab or a profile icon, usually in the bottom right or top left corner, which is your gateway to creating an account. Capcut offers several convenient ways to create your account. You can choose to sign up using an email address, where you'll set a password between 6 and 20 characters long. Alternatively, for a quicker process, you can link an existing account from platforms like Google, TikTok, or Facebook. Simply select your preferred method to proceed. After choosing your sign-up method, you'll likely receive a verification code via email or through your linked social media. Enter this code accurately to confirm your identity. Next, you will be prompted to enter your birth date for age verification, and then create a unique nickname for your profile. This nickname is how others will see you within the Capcut community. With your account successfully created, you can now dive into Capcut's extensive features. You'll gain access to a wide array of free editing tools, effects, and templates. Your projects will automatically save, allowing you to sync your work across different devices. Explore advanced options like keyframe animation, chroma key, and powerful AI-driven tools to enhance your video creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.